Hello everyone. So today we are diving into one of the most important concept in TypeScript, that is interface. So in this video you will learn what is an interface, why do we use it, how does it work with object and functions, and when should use an interface. So let's talk about first what is an interface. Interface basically used to define the structure of your object, and it can also be extended. I'll show you with example how it works. So here I have created a very simple interface. This interface is basically saying that every person object should have a name which will hold a string type and a age which will hold a number type only. So let's create a object using this structure so that we can understand clearly. So here I have created this user object. It works fine because it follows the same structure that I have defined here. But if I try to do like this, so it will throw an error. TypeScript will say that the property age is missing in type. But if you do not want to add this age property here, you can achieve it by making it optional. So you can achieve it by using this operator. So now it works fine. Now let's create another object. Like let's create let's user2. So in this object, I'm passing the name property as well as this age property also. So by making this age property optional, this is up to you that you want to add or not. So in both scenario, it will work fine. So let's talk about another cool feature in TypeScript, which we call auto merging or declaration merging. So what happens in this? Let me tell you. So as you can see, I have created two interfaces with the same name. So instead of throwing an error, TypeScript what does? It will merge both interfaces into a single interface, and TypeScript will see this interface like this. So this is called auto merging. So it provides basically flexibility to split our interface into different parts, and we can merge them dynamically. So till now we have understood what is an interface, how can make any properties of interface optional, and what is auto merging or declaration merging. Now let's talk about how interface works with functions. So we can use interface for functions to define what parameters they take and what they return. So here I have created this add numbers interface, which is saying that both parameter will be a number type and which will return a number only. So here if I uh, pass here instead of number, if I pass here for example any string value, okay. So you can see that TypeScript here is saying that argument of type string is not assignable to parameter of type number, okay. And if you hover on this add, the TypeScript also suggests you that both argument will be at number type only, okay. So I will pass here a number only. So like this you can use interface when you want to define your object structure before using it, when you want to write better code, and also it provides reusability. It also provides another features like auto merging, and you can also extend the interface also. In this video I have not covered yet. In the next video I will talk about this. That's all for today. See you in the next video.